Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I just got back from an event called The Vintage. It's a classic BMW car show. Check the shirt out. If you're interested in that, check them out on Facebook. They've got a Facebook page. It's held here in Hot Springs, North Carolina. It's a lot of fun. Some exciting things happened over the weekend while we were on our way there and on our way back. On the way up, we tried to drive this convertible up some nice twisty fun mountain roads and destroyed the transmission. And then in the 84 two-door, a buddy of mine, Jonathan, was driving that up there for me, and on the way back he blew a coolant line. So while we were in Hot Springs, I had a new steering wheel come in. So today we're going to be unboxing that steering wheel. Well, we're going to unbag it because my wife went ahead and unboxed it for us while we were out of town. But yeah, so let's jump in. I'll show you what we got. So what I ordered was a Renown Motorsports 100 steering wheel, and this is what was sitting on my counter. So I'm assuming wife probably opened it up, just checked it out, threw it back in its bag. I'm guessing this is probably kind of what you would get in the box. So that being said, let's check this thing. I'm gonna try to do it one-handed here. All right. So guys, I can already tell you this thing is absolutely beautiful. Looks like it's got a really good quality leather. The seams, the curves of the leather looks awesome. I'm not sponsored. They're not sponsoring this video, by the way. This is the steering wheel that I bought for this car. Yeah, I mean, it looks really nice. I like the little Renown logo thing there. All right, so that's the wheel. Let's see what else is in the bag here. Okay, so it looks like we've got a sticker. So, you know, I like stickers. And then I think this is the horn button. Yeah, it looks like that's going to be the horn button. And then we've got some little Allen head bolts with a little Allen wrench, and looks like some wire and a zip tie. So yeah, now this is an airbag car. So clearly I'm gonna have to do something to get this to bolt on here, and let me show you what I got for that. All right, so I bought this steering wheel hub adapter from the old Amazon. This thing was like 30 bucks or 35 bucks or something. It's not super expensive, but it's pretty simple. It looks like just cast aluminum, I guess. I don't know. Either way, we're gonna unbolt the airbag wheel. We're gonna put this on, and then we're gonna mount that Renown steering wheel. So let's dig in. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is take a Torx 25, and then there is two, well, where are they at? There's two little screw holes on the back side of the steering wheel, and those two Torx screws in there, you loosen those up, and then your steering wheel, your airbag comes off. Now there is a plug back here, so we're going to be unplugging that, and then that'll give us access to our nut right here. So this nut is a 22 millimeter. Since you're messing with the airbag, I would go ahead and advise disconnect your battery just so that thing doesn't pop out in your face. I've taken this thing off before without doing that, but it still makes me nervous. So undo that, use a 22, and if you're using a driver like this, you're going to need a little extension because of the depth of the steering wheel. You'll end up just hitting the steering wheel and not being able to get the thing out. So take that off. Okay, so I recently had this thing off anyways, but I think I'm not sure why it's not wanting to. Oh, I think I need to get the key real quick. I think maybe it's the steering lock is kind of holding it on, because I don't remember it being this difficult, and it's loose. Like, it's jiggling, it's moving up and down, so I think it's that steering lock. Let me go grab the key. All right, yeah, so that's exactly what it was. I put the key in and the thing just slides right off. So There is a plug right here, so be mindful of that. I'm not sure what it goes to. Maybe the horn and the airbag, I guess. I don't know. So either way, unplug it. So fantastic news. Wrong size. So whatever this fits, it's not this car. I've read that the airbag column splines are a little bit smaller than the non-airbag cars, so maybe this is, or maybe I got that backwards. I don't know. Either way, this is too big, and it also doesn't look like it would hide anything. So I'm gonna reach out to Renown, because the guy did ask if we needed a hub adapter. I had already ordered this thing, so let's reach out to him, see if we can get a hub adapter, and we'll pick this video up when we get our new adapter. All right, so we are back. I know that only took like a second to get this. I assure you the shipping is not that fast. That was some editing. but here's the new hub. This one looks just as good, maybe even a little better quality than the other one. It says top right there, and yeah, I'm pretty sure I got the steering column where it needs to be, so hopefully that is going to be straight. I may have to like move it over a spline or something. So yeah, I think first things first, I'm going to go ahead and just loosely put this bolt on, and then get the wheel put on, and maybe see if the horn button can be left off, just in case I need to make some adjustments. Alright guys, so it is installed. The installation was pretty straightforward when we had the right parts. This thing looks awesome. I think it really fits the car now. You guys may have noticed that during the course of filming this video, my car gained an additional pedal and a big white ball. So yeah, we manual swapped it while I was waiting on the hub adapter, so that was fun. But yeah, again, this thing is just beautiful. It looks really nice, very, very classic BMW style. Pretty happy with it. And guys, I can see the cluster perfect. This is about my ride height right here, maybe somewhere in there. Of course, the perspective on the phone kind of throws it out of whack a little bit, but yeah, this looks really good. I was worried about where I adjusted the column height, it causing an issue, but I don't think it will. I think it looks good there. So if you install one of these and you don't like where it's sitting height wise, check out the other video that I got. I'll put a link like right there for it. I think is where it goes. But yeah, thanks for watching.